What are we learning today?
We are going to learn words that are similar in Tongan and Māori.
Yeah, because did you know out of 52 weeks of the year, our two cultures, well, two of our cultures, are side by side.
Right next to each
Tongan
other.
Language Week, Māori Language Week. Yay! So we thought this would be a good transition. Alright, what should we start with? Let's start with the word. What Māori word do you want to start with, Leah?
Something I like to do and enjoy is kai.
Kai, which in Tongan is kai. Or mena kai for the food. So eat food. That's good. Okay, we'll put the words up here. Alright, what's our next one there? In Māori?
Mokopuna.
Mokopuna, which is grandchildren, and Tongan is Mokopuna.
They're like literally exactly the same. Same word, just slightly
pronounced differently. In Tongan we
pronunciation.
use like K is kind of like a G, T is like a D. That's all. Alright, now this one's a little bit different, but it is a, what's this in Māori?
It's a heru.
A heru. In Tongan it's called a helu. We need probably much thicker ones than this for some of our hair.
For this.
Alright, let's go with the next one.
Manu is
Manu.
also
A manupuna. Tweet, tweet.
things that we should drink 8 cups a day of. Wai.
Yep, we call it Wai Māori.
Wai
And
Māori.
in Tongan we call it Vai. It's my son's name. Vai.
It's shortened name. Okay, so we will also have
Oh, yeah,
these
true.
things.
We're doing these
Your
things.
wai.
Your Wai in Tongan is your Vae.
And so that has the little wee whakaoa. The little wee
Vae. Ding. Apostrophe. Apostrophe. A lot will stop.
and then we have whakarongo.
Ah, whanongo. We heard that one a lot from our mum.
Yeah.
Listen. Listen to me. Alright, our next one in Tongan is the maiki.
Tamariki.
Tamariki. The maiki. Children.
Children.
Alright.
We do songs for
The maiki.
And next we have whanau.
Whanau, which we all know as family, and in Tongan we say whanau. Family, kainga, lots of different ones, but whanau and whanau.
Very same. Very
It's very same.
Very same. Next we have Maunga.
Maunga. Yeah.
Mountain.
It's the mountain.
And we have whenua.
Whenua is our land, which in Tongan is our whanua.
And then
Similar.
So similar. And we've just got a few more. Atua.
Atua is God, and we have Otua. And our last two ones are ones we've taught you through this week, which is Nofua
And Nohora.
and the other one was Alua.
Hairera.
So similar. And that's what we love about learning more and more about our languages, is seeing the similarities in all languages. And actually here's one to throw in. Helu is Tongan for comb, heru for Māori, and sandal for Samoan. That's a whole other video. But that shows that we all come from the same place, isn't it? If you guys know of any extra ones, Māori and Tongan, that are really similar, throw them down below because we'd love for you guys to be able to share some more with us. Yeah. Alright,
Awesome.
hope you've had fun learning more Tongan. We're going to be with you with some Māori next week.
Ka kite.
Ka kite. Alua.
Toki see you.
Chia.